An arts program that started in Aruba migrated over to Curaçao, so the kids over at our sister island can express themselves artistically over the summer break. For Art Rules Aruba to host the program on a different island allowed for trial and error. Some things worked great in Curaçao that will be implemented on Aruba for next time. Art Rules Curaçao wasn't only a great way to keep the kids busy for a week, but it kept them healthy. During the course of the program, great food was provided for everyone involved in Art Rules Curaçao. But more importantly, the only drink of choice being offered put things into perspective for the organizers.
And one other thing that's been so great is that we started a water, bring your own bottle campaign, and all the kids have just been drinking water. And I think we're definitely going to implement this in Aruba, because what we've done, we've just been putting ice jugs with water because we tried to get a donation here from Coca-Cola, and because we weren't successful, we just started a drink water campaign. And so we put a lot of jugs of ice and water, and the kids have just been drinking that all day.
The students did not complain about water being the only option to hydrate during Art Rules Week. The organizers sees this as a great change to our Art Rules Aruba.
They haven't complained about it at all. So we ended up having, kids content with the food and the water that we've provided. So this is one of the things that I really liked, and that was so easy and smooth in comparison to Aruba, where somehow I think maybe we created the expectation. However, there was the expectation of having drinks. Well, in Curaçao, the kids really don't care if it's soda or iced tea or water, so us coming in with water, to them, it's nothing different.
If kids on Aruba and Curaçao are any indications of the Caribbean region, then the children are really in need of a vehicle like this to express their passion for art. Ida says kids need projects like these.
I think the kids are so hungry for talent, for arts. They're so hungry to express themselves, to have a platform, to just, cultivate their talent and skills. And so in Curaçao, the kids just literally walked in the first day, and they didn't even know us for 30 minutes, and they were already dancing in a whole group in a cipher. And so you can see that the hunger is there and the passion is there, and this goes for both islands. Aruba is the same way.
Ida says there will be definitely a round 2 for Art Rules Curaçao, and we can also expect it to return in Aruba as well.